everyone, all the techies and data enthusiasts there. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is video 10 of our Python series, and in this particular video we are going to discuss about dictionaries in Python. So dictionaries is a very important concept. If you have understood list and tuples previously, today you can easily understand dictionaries as well. It is a bit different compared to list and tuples, and I'll explain you all how it works. It's a kind of, if you all already know what is JSON format of data, so dictionary looks in the same way, but it is going to be very interesting, and the way you can interact with dictionary is also going to excite you all. So guys, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and on the bell notification, as well as make sure to follow me on LinkedIn and connect with me. If you have any messages or requests, you can directly talk to me on LinkedIn. So guys, now let's get started. So guys, here you all can see my screen about dictionaries. So on this particular book, dictionaries in Python are unordered collection of items. They store data in key and value pair. So what is key and value pair? Here you can see the person's name on this particular example, and his name is written. So here the name is your key, and John Doe. So this is his name, that particular person name, right? It's his value format. So if you call key and you can ask for value, or if you ask value and you can ask for the key as well. Both are possible. I'll show you all with the practical implementation. Dictionaries are mutable. So if you have checked my previous video, I have explained about tuples, and I even told you it is immutable. Why it is immutable? Lists are mutable, and now even dictionaries are mutable. So we'll see how it is mutable and what all are features offered in dictionary. Meaning that they can be changed after creation. They are highly efficient for retrieving data when the key is known. So if you already know what is the key, it's very easy to retrieve the data. That is our main advantage in dictionary. Creating a dictionary. So this is how you create a dictionary. So let me just create a file here first, Python 10 notebook. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about dictionaries. Okay, dictionaries. Let me just copy this, and I'll change this to markdown and run. Okay, so dictionaries in Python. So let me just copy this. You can create dictionary. Let me just copy this example and we'll modify it here. So I'm not going to run the same example output. Let us modify here. So I'll remove this and I'll update here as my name itself. Age 21. Now my age is 23 at present. And course, you can say data science. Always maths and computer science. It's boring, right? Data science, and let's take AI. Okay, and print. Oh, okay. Indentation error. 1 second. Okay, and print as well is having an indentation error. Okay, now you can see here. This is a dictionary. You can even check the type of student. You can see here it is dictionary. Now, so type of this is dictionary, and now you can see here. So it's been created, right? Now, how can you access the elements in this particular dictionary? So this is one method. So you don't need to actually write print as well. You can directly call student, open square braces. So write open square braces and name. So what is the key available in that? So you can directly call name and run. It will show the value of it. So the key is name, and so for the name, what is the value assigned? Sai Kumar. So my name is assigned to it. So I'll copy this and again paste it here. Here I'll change it to courses. You can see here data science and AI. So as we call key, it will trigger the value. In essence, it will give you the output of value, what is stored in that particular key. Okay, this is one of accessing. Modifying dictionary. So how can you modify dictionary? So here we have used print. Okay, so I'm not going to use print. What is this? Yeah, I'm not going to use print. Instead, I directly took the variable, and in notebook you can call it. You don't need to specifically mention print. When you are running on VS Code, then you have to mention print. Okay. So remember this. That's enough. Modifying dictionaries. Dictionaries are mutable, so you can change their content by adding, modifying, or removing key value pairs. So let me just make this a bit interesting here so that you guys don't get confused. Accessing elements. Okay, and here let me add one more cell. Modifying dictionary. Markdown. Run. Okay, so dictionary is added here. Modifying dictionary. So now here when it comes, let me just check the code. So student age is equals to 22. Okay, so this time let us reduce the age. So I'll just copy this to modify the value. Right. Okay. So it's an indentation error. When you're copying from there, make sure to check the indentation. So age, let us give it 21. So now if you again check student, so now my age has been modified. It is modified to 21. Previously my age was 23. You guys can see here. Now it's been modified to 21. So this is one advantage of dictionary. It can be modifiable. Adding a new key or value pair. Okay, let me just copy all this and I'll explain you there itself. Okay, so delete operation is for removing. Cancel, add the cell. I add this cell here. Okay, graduated is equals to false. You can add, in a sense, you can add a new variable to that particular dictionary. So if you run this, it will be added, and after this, you can just check student. Now, student will be having given graduated as a new pair as well. You can see here, graduated false. So still I am not graduated. So I'm just kidding. Okay, in this it is showing that I am not graduated. You can enable that to true as well. Now if you change this to true, then it will be modified. So if I change this to true and check, see here, graduated is equals to true. And courses. So if you want to remove something, I'm not interested to remove course. So let's remove age. Now you can see here, age is gone. So my name, course, and graduated. Use this inbuilt delete operation, del command, to delete any particular key from this particular student dictionary. You can delete any key value pair using this delete function. Okay, inbuilt delete function, or you can say delete key. Dictionary methods. Python provides several built-in methods to work with dictionaries. Here are some of the commonly used. Get returns the value of a specific key. If the key doesn't exist, it gives you none. So if you want to retrieve something, you can use inbuilt function get. And keys, if returns a value object that displays in list of all the keys. Values returns the keys, items, and update, pop, clear. So let us see this one by one. To understand and more clear, let us use these examples, and let us see they have used the same example of name. So let me just copy this here. So creating a dictionary. Before that, various dictionary operations, right? Dictionary methods. Okay. Okay, markdown. Okay. Now student underscore one. So I'll run this. Okay. After this, we have age is equals to student one dot get age, graduation as well. So here what it is happening is, so you need to understand this more better. Let me remove this, add this. So just don't get confused, guys. Understand the flow, you will get it easily. So age, and again let us print age here. You can see here student1 dot get age. So what we are doing is we are calling student1 variable dot get function, and inside function we are telling age. So now what it is doing, whatever value which is stored in this particular age key, that is now getting stored to this particular variable called age variable. We have assigned a variable, right? So it is storing there. And when it comes to graduation also it is same. So student underscore, it was 1, okay. Graduation year. So we told that if the graduation year is available, you need to mention that, or else show the result of it. So as it is not available, it is showing not available. So you can mention this as well, graduation year here. So if we mention that, second, graduation year, I can mention 2023, run. And now if I check this, you can see a 2023 is coming here. So you can, it is in short saying that either if this graduation is year is there, print that, or else print not available. Okay. So I hope you got this. After this we have student 2 and keys. Why we need to again call student 2? We can directly call the keys, right? Okay, let me print keys. Keys is equals to student underscore 1 dot k keys. See, these are our keys: name, age, course, and now we added graduation year. So that is also coming in. Name, year, name, age, course, and graduation year is your keys. Same goes for value, I guess. Value now. Value is equals to same variable, no change. Dot. Just press tab, you will get it. Value. Values. Yes, it should come. Okay, and value. If I print this, you can see here the information: my name, age, and course, and the graduation year. Okay, so this is one, and next we are left out with keys are done, values are done, items. Items, so I'll copy this same here. Items. You can see now when I print items, so it is giving in a kind of tuple format. Name, so if you just give type of tuple, I guess it should, sorry, type of items, it should come as tuple, if I'm not wrong. No, it's dictionary items. Okay, dictionary items. You can see here. Okay, so here it's already mentioned dictionary items. I forgot. Okay, name and my name, age, course is mentioned. The same goes here. So after this, now we have after items we have additional information. Okay, appending. So here we are adding additional information and appending. Okay, let me copy the same here. Student1 dot add. Now if I check student1, this will be appended, in a sense updated. Using the update keyword, what we did, we added graduated, so which is already available in another dictionary. In short, you can say we are concatenating it. So in this dictionary already we have graduated and GPA. So this we took and we added, combined or updated, you can say anything. You have updated it to student1, you have added to this. Okay, now this completely it became a dictionary, in one dictionary in which every information is updated. After updated, we have pop. So pop, student1.pop. So if you want to pop out something, so graduation year doesn't look that interesting. So let us pop this. Student underscore 1.pop, and at this pop, what we did, we directly mentioned, okay, pop age, age, no, not age, so it is graduation year for us. You can see this has been popped out. Now if we check student 1, I guess that should be removed. Yeah, that is removed. So you can see now it has been removed. After this pop, we are left out with clear. Okay, so if you want to completely remove something from a particular dictionary, then you can use clear operation. So instead of removing in student 1, I would like to remove student. So from student, so let me first show you student as well. So this is my student data. Student dot clear. Now if I check student, I guess everything is empty now. It should be an empty dictionary. So all the data, whatever was there, everything was deleted. So these are some of the inbuilt operations which are important and which you guys should know. So after this, we have an example here of phone book and inventory management. So this phone book, you guys can give a try on it. So inventory management, I'll just copy this code and explain you all once. Yeah, the output is also mentioned, but yeah. Let me align this before this. Example of dictionary markdown. So def inventory 1. Oh, everything is not proper. So let me just align this. Okay, I arranged it. So you can see here what here we are doing. First, we created an empty dictionary called inventory, and we wrote a function here, def function. So I remember, I do definitely remember that I haven't taught you guys about def function and this if and else statement as well. In general, just understand this code for now. When we are going to discuss about that, we'll come back here. So def add items, item and quantity. So if item in inventory, inventory item plus or equal to quantity. So if it is already available, add it, else equal to quantity, whatever quantity is mentioned, else inventory item is equals to quantity. Then we have mentioned here update item. So we have written here 3 functions for adding an item, for updating an item, for clearing the stock. So if you don't have the item, clear stock dot get information, and if it is not available, then it will be removed. Okay, so I'll just print this. You can see here what we have done here, add item. So apple 10, item add item banana 20, add item oranges 15. These we have added. So we checked update item banana to 25. So once we did this, you can see here bananas has become now 25. Here you can see the final output. Bananas are now 25. Now checking the stock. So we checked apple we have 10, output correct. Checking bananas we have 25, correct. And grapes, so it is saying item not found because we haven't added grapes at all in this code. If you see, only oranges are there but not grapes. So when we finally check the inventory, you can see here everything is perfect, 10 and 25 and 15. So we have 20 bananas that we made it to 25 and oranges to 15 are normal. And when the item is not in this particular inventory, it will say item not found. It's very easy, only you guys can have a look on it, will easily understand this. And yeah, so guys, that's all about dictionaries. If you see, yeah, that's all about dictionaries. There are key explanations about the code. You can read this book, actually it will be very interesting. So in our next video, we are going to discuss about sets and Python. Okay, so guys, meet you all again in next video. Bye bye. So I'll be updating this entire code and all the information in GitHub. So the GitHub link is in this video description. Meet you all in my next video.